Hi friends, this video shows how to fix issue Bluetooth speaker not working when connecting USB accessories. Go to settings, set all settings from top right corner, go to system, go to about. Under about, go down, set Android TV OS build. Here we need to press OK button on the remote 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See the message, you are now a developer. Go back. Now under system we can find new option called developer options. Set it. These are a list of developer options. Here we need to go down and find media section. So let me find media. See, under media select disable USB audio routing. So we have to enable this option. Done. So after this we can check that should work. So this way we can fix that issue. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.